I'm going to make this video rather brief, and just in case you want to tidy up some of your details pertaining to your Facebook Business Manager account. So how you're going to do just that is by going to Business Settings and scroll all the way down to Business Info, and you'll arrive at a page like this. Now, some of these details here should look familiar to you when you log into your account, because these were the details that you had filled in when you created your Facebook Business Manager account. So let's start off head to toe. All right, this is the name of the business account that I'm using for an example here. So you might notice that there's a blank thumbnail over here. We'll click on that, edit, and click over here. And what we can do is that you can add a picture or a logo. And I'm just using this as an example, all right? Let's just say I want to use this as a logo. I click submit, and there we go. All right, I'm just using this as an example. If you want to edit any of the details here, such as the legal name, the address, phone number, website, tax ID, you can just click on edit and make the changes here. Another thing of interest here is that you click on notifications. This is on the left here. And if you want to just control the noise that you're receiving, whether it's from push notifications or email, whenever there's an activity going on in your business account. But truth to be told, as you run Facebook ad campaigns, you don't really need to know every single thing there is. So you want to probably consider minimizing the noise or the amount of emails that you receive as an update, like from every actions that you do. So what you can do is that you can choose to turn on or turn off any of the push notifications or email for anything here. So personally, all right, I'll still leave all this turned on because these are really important information. Marketing updates, personally, I turn everything off, and that's exactly what I just did here. Partner program updates, I think this is not important as well. I just turn everything off. Pages, this is up to you. Normally, I would just like to get a push notification. So what push notification means that every time you get a notification at the top right with a red icon, that's what push notification is. I don't really need an email notification every time someone likes or even like leaves a comment. I think that's not important, so I'm going to turn that off. Ad accounts, this is totally up to you. You can have both of this on, but as you run more ad accounts, it might get a little bit noisy. You might want to consider turning off the email notification. WhatsApp, I do not use WhatsApp accounts, so I'm going to turn this off. If you do, you can leave it on. I don't do e-commerce in my case, so I'm going to turn off catalogs. Pixels, I think this is, we're just going to turn off the email notification. And as for apps, if you're going to run any conversions or campaigns about apps, then you can leave this on. Otherwise, you can turn this off. So yeah, this will just help you minimize your noise and clutter a little bit more. And now, this is not exactly an important thing to do, but I think it just helps you minimize the noise and keep your business manager account rather tidy.